Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ozac AI token. Now pre-sale is live on their webpage for this token, Ozac.ai. Ticker symbol is OZ. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I saw this token actually advertised in a crypto news article that you could find on the web. There's probably a whole bunch of different news articles advertising this token here, but it says here at Ozac AI is the Twitter, and I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find the project I'm talking about. 25,900 Twitter followers. It says Ozac is a predictive AI-powered decentralized network for advanced data analytics and interpretation. They have the blue verified checkmark, 521 tweets. They joined in May 2024. And if you check out that link tree there, it's going to take you to their webpage, the pre-sale where you could buy the token, and all their socials right there. And they just finished their first phase of the pre-sale here, because in their pin tweet it says, breaking news, pre-sale phase 1 sold out. Incredible milestone achieved. Phase 1 of OZ token pre-sale has been fully subscribed with a remarkable $200,000 raised at 0.001 USD per token. To our early believers, congratulations, your investment has already doubled, with phase 2 opening at 0.002 USD. So that's generally how these pre-sales work, is that the earlier you get in, the more of a discount it is. This is just the beginning of our journey with Ozac AI. So then it talks about phase 2 opening up. And yeah, you could go over that to where the pre-sale is on that link tree there. You just click on the very top link. It says join Ozac AI pre-sale. And then it goes over the current phase, target price, pre-sale now. You click on the buy now button, and that'll take you over to app.ozac.ai/buy. It says you connect your wallet, so you could use Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet. There's probably a few others there as well. You punch in, say how much ETH you want to spend. After you fund your wallet with ETH, it'll tell you how much Ozac you get for that amount. And then you click buy token, and then there's also a spot for a referral code. If you have a referral code there, there's an ROI calculator, leaderboard, my transactions, my profile. You can create a profile on there, all sorts of stuff. Now, what is Ozac? What is this project all about? Welcome to Ozac AI, revolutionizing predictive analytics with decentralized technology. Welcome to the official Ozac AI. As a cutting-edge technology enterprise, we are excited to introduce you to our mission of transforming predictive analytics through innovative decentralized technologies. Now, this industry post will provide a comprehensive overview of our company, our core mission, and unique technological infrastructure that differentiates us within the industry. So at Ozac AI, we're at the forefront of integrating advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms with a decentralized network technologies. Our primary focus is on financial markets, where we deliver real-time, accurate, and actionable insights to enhance decision-making processes for both individuals and organizations. Our mission is to empower users with a sophisticated analytical tool and predictive insights necessary to navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. By harnessing the power of data and AI, we aim to revolutionize the decision-making landscape. So our core technology components, number one is the Ozak Stream Network, the OSN. The OSN is the central hub for managing real-time data flow, ensuring low latency and precise data transmission across the network. Number two, decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DPIN. The distributed nodes provide the foundational decentralized infrastructure, enhancing both security and network resilience. Also, Ozak data vaults. Now, these secure repositories are designed for the efficient storage and management of data, ensuring its availability and integrity. And number four, predictive agents. Our AI models are trained to generate personalized and accurate predictions based on historical and real-time data. As we embark on this journey, we invite you to join us in exploring the transformative potential of Ozac AI's technology. And they do have some posts here. So on their webpage, if you want to learn about specific things, they have blog articles about decentralized physical infrastructure, the Ozak data vaults, customized prediction agents, and the power of predictive AI in financial markets. Now they have a Telegram you could follow, which is at Ozac AGI, 15,127 subscribers on the Telegram. And you could preview the channel before joining, but that is a lot of followers, and that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. They also have a YouTube channel linked in that link tree right there on the Twitter, an Instagram on their website, all sorts of things there. And then it says here, phase 2 of the presale opening soon. Allocation 200 million tokens. Expected FDV $20 million. And they are pioneering decentralized AI analytics networks with strong tokenomics with a 24-month team vesting. Strategic vesting periods ensure sustainable growth. Multiple utility cases including staking, governance, and platform fees. Don't miss out on the next phase. The rapid sellout of phase 1 demonstrates the massive demand for the OZ token. So go check this out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.